Hello everybody. My name is Dr. Ayush Sharma, and I've scored a score of 584 in NEET PG and a rank of 4132. So I wanted to basically talk about my journey as a medical student, not just as a student of DAMS, and the role DAMS has played in my medical journey. So I know, not 584 is not that great a score, but I think considering the surroundings that I was in, okay, I'm not saying that it was very bad or anything, but I come from a private college in Udaipur, so I think if there are any private college students, they might understand this, that we don't have a studious environment around us. People like judge you if you go to coaching institutes like DAMS in your second year or your third year. So I was one of those kids. I went and joined DAMS in my second year. And of course, people were skeptical. Yaar, kya kar raha hai? What are you doing? Go enjoy your life. College life comes only once. And I was confused, man. I was like, ki college life to hai. This is a very important phase of my life. But then I'm not understanding. I'm not able to grasp concepts of medical sciences, because teaching to achhi thi, but teachers also, they don't want to teach in a private college because students don't want to learn, I feel. So that is why, क्योंकि मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था, I could not understand pathology, I could not understand pharmacology, nothing. So I thought, कि where can I go? Who will teach me? So that is when at my time in my second year, I think DAMS was the only institute that was currently in the market. So that's where I went, and I got the face-to-face course classes for 3 years. And once I entered the classroom, it was magic, because the things that I did not know earlier, the things that I was totally confused about, ki bhai, what is the pathogenesis, why is this happening, everything, concepts started to build up. So whatever I know as a doctor today, it is all thanks to DAMS. So of course it has a very big role to play in my rank and the score that I've got, but even more important thing that it has basically taught me is the mindset of a winner, basically. So I would like to tell you ki it does not matter if you've come from a private college or a government college or whatever your scores were in your NEET UG. It does not matter, because what matters is the person you are inside. And there can be a lot of circumstances, maybe a lot of reasons that you could not maybe crack your NEET UG exams. But now you're here. You're a doctor now. You've gone into the field, and it is your inner desire that will make you flourish as a doctor. And this is the kind of family or kind of an atmosphere that DAMS builds around, and it has also given me a mindset to basically not give up in life. Because whenever I used to hear Sumer sir or Deepti ma'am for that matter, or even Arvind sir teach about medicine, Arvind sir, he's an excellent faculty, because he always takes things from basics and he explains medicine so beautifully. That is the reason that I've become so passionate about medicine, and even pediatrics. Siddharth Sethi sir is literally amazing. So yeah, they build medical science on you. It's not something that I've seen other institutes, but they cannot match this family environment that DAMS gives you. And yeah, that is about the things that I got from this institute. And yeah, so coming back to the mindset that this institute has given me. So whenever I used to hear Sumer sir and Deepti ma'am talk about how to handle exams, and whenever there was maybe I watched a lot of videos that Sumer sir and Deepti ma'am put out when results of some exam used to come, and the things that they told, to not give up, to basically have that mindset to keep going, because whatever people might say, I don't think life is a race. It depends on where you want to get. If you want to get there genuinely, no matter how long it takes, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, you will get there. You just have to be persistent. You just have to be hardworking. You just have to be smart working. And regarding my journey as a DAMS student, I joined DAMS in second year. I have done the face-to-face classroom course, and I've done the NEET TND course. I've done the INI-CT TND course, and this has been my building block. Nothing else. Even college, maybe the prof exam that I used to give, that was only from my DAMS notes, and I've got distinctions in a lot of subjects in my UG as well, and that is all thanks to DAMS. My rank is all thanks to DAMS, and yeah, that is all I would like to convey. Thank you so much.